Hello Tech Genius, I am Ravi. Have you ever imagined a place where learning is as dynamic as the technology shaping your world? Then here's a deal. With iMatix, you can make sure the learning is exciting, impactful right from the beginning. You have interactive sessions with expert-led courses. In the world of tech, from data science to cloud computing, it's not just about a session, it's about doing, building, learning by solving real problems. So let's get started. Now we'll talk about bank routing rules. Type bank routing rules. We'll go to this create bank routing rules. Then select our company. JMS USA, I believe it's already created. Let's see. It will not show us like this. Let's say added bank routing. Same thing you would see while creating the bank account. Only you have to put the company and the default bank account. Default means if none of this condition or rules are matching while processing the payments, then by default you have to use this bank account. We're telling the system that use this bank account for processing the payments. Now how it works is that you can see we have defined the payment category here. Like expense credit card payment, payroll off cycle, payroll on cycle payment. And you can define different parameters like pay, group term, category greater than amount. And then calculation criteria, customer category, supplier category, post category. All those things. Now if you want, I'll add one here. And I will define a few things here. Let's say payment type. We are getting a check. Like that. We'll say for customer payment, customer refund. Supplier payment. Anything else? For practice, I think it's fine. And payment group. Now let's keep it. And then categories the commission level of authority. Let's keep this amount greater than 200. And you can define a customer category of the supplier if you want to narrow down the results. To whom we are paying, the country of that authority or the nation or the person. Currency. We can say USD. If there are some more companies on behalf of which we can also be payment using this banking account, you can do it. Global Model Services UK. And which banking account would be used? Anytime you possibly USD, INR, HPD, KLM payments. For this type of types. And these are the payment categories. Then use this menu. Now let's create a settlement bond. We'll get this first. Now we are saying as the company is US based, you can change this currency. You can select on this checkbox. Exclude negative payments. Dynamic supplier payment date. It's a settlement, either from invoice due date, invoice discount date, or settlement. Now if there are some invoices which are pending for payment, or if there are invoices which are due date are pending, shows. I'm just saying settlement run date basis. Show me all the invoices which are pending. Right now it's a blank. For now, let's say your customers earn expenses, supply invoices. I'm sure there should be some invoices. Perfect. Let's pick up this one. PEC Solutions. This is for testing purpose. I'm saying that I have to pay 4740 if I want to see details regarding this. I can go to details. I can see this is making up of 3 invoices for APACs. This is the amount which we have to pay back. Now you can see supplier payment, one payment account. These are the invoices. You need to process it. And I will show you something. It's in progress. Process history. It's in progress. Now from this new tab, it's in progress. Process. Waiting for integration to be fired. Maybe a few seconds. It will work. Payment message. You can cancel payments or resend it. But we'll wait here a few seconds. As you can see, it's complete. Express settlement, no. Exclude negative payment, yes. If I just go to this payment group, oh, it got failed. For some XYZ reason it got failed. That's pretty bad. Why it got failed? This one's getting completed. Because of integration stuff, this got failed. But this is the process. You don't need to worry about it. Same thing we do every day. Same way. The task is lazy. Schedule settlement run. Currency is USD. Settlement is weekly. Monday weekly payments. I'll tell you one interesting thing also, how it works. Auto select filters, system filters or custom filters, all available. Exclude negative payments, yes. We'll do the schedule tab here. Recurs every weekday. Start time would be, let's say, 8 a.m. Gym time. When should start? Starting from today. Let's say it goes to 30th of June. Schedule what's missing. It's already closed. It's done. Every day at this period of time, 8 a.m. in the morning, it will start processing the payments. Now let me show you one interesting thing that I was talking about and how to take it further. We have something called a custom portal. Custom portal is nothing. It's just like the same login page they will also get. But they would only see certain data like their opening voices, your customer payments which have been made. They can reach out to us. These are our opening voices and we are processing your payments and blah blah blah. No need to send them the PDF for the invoices again and again. One of the points of contact will log into tenant. They will see their opening voices statement and will process the payments for us. First of all, we need to have a customer for that. Let's go to Find Customers. Let's find out some customers. STI Consulting or Boostar Population, I think they would have definitely a point of contact. Let's open Boostar Buzz. And we'll go to Address and Contacts. And then Personal Contacts. We'll add one. We'll give it name like prefixes, Mr. Ambani. Contact information. Address is this one. Type is your word. You know your building. Email, yes, we need an email at this for sure. This would be ambani@timbilacom. Your home. It could be as a billing and shipping. Now I go here, set up the contact. This is primary contact and default contact also. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.